Alright guys, so today is Christmas Day. Alright. And obviously I got some gifts. And those gifts, the main gift I got was PC parts. As you can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be building a computer. And I'm really excited about it. It is currently 2 o'clock and I have a mask on because we just moved into a new house, so I had to go to Home Depot and get a toilet because the toilet is literally cracked in half. Like, I'm not even joking. Anyway, so yeah, I'm building a setup. I am really excited to do it. My budget for the PC was $900, and then for the full setup, my budget was $1,400. And without tax, I did stay under that. I got $1,376 something, I think. But I have the pieces, and that's what today's video is about. I'm gonna be building the PC, and yeah, I'm just gonna go over the parts for, I don't know, whoever. I don't know if you like computers, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so inside it's an i7 9700K, an MSI RTX 2060, a Corsair power supply, T-Force 3200 megahertz RGB RAM, and that's all gonna be in a Fractal Design Meshify C. My peripherals are a Razer Black Widow Elite and a Razer Viper Ultimate. I spent a little bit extra on the mouse because I really wanted the Razer Viper Ultimate, you know. Anyway, I'm just happy that I got these parts. I finally have access to it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope my content in the future gets way better because now I have access to a better device once I build it. And yeah, thank you guys for 250 subscribers before 2021, and I just hope that next year we do even better. Anyway, let's get into the video. Alright, so it is the day after I built my PC. I would say that it looks really good. Alright, you may not be able to tell, but it's like a red and black setup. Sorry for the light in the back. But I am really happy with how it turned out. Like, I am proud with this. And hopefully I can start making way better content now that I have a working computer. Anyway, what I was saying was, I think that this looks really good. Like, I love my peripherals and how it looks, and yeah. So, anyways guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you could tell me by dropping a like or comment down below. And I hope to see you in 2021 when my videos take a giant leap in the better direction. Alright.